So they swim in the water?
Yeah, he was coming down the river. What the heck is that coming down the river?
He's a female one, right?
Yeah, but the problem is he's on an island now.
Yeah, it will be hard.
On that island.
It will be hard for him to.
Gotta swim back now.
Yeah. How did he? Maybe he.
She.
Oh, he's a she.
Unless it's got horns.
No, there's no horn. It's a female.
Somebody's pooped her in.
Could be, yes.
Dogs. Around here, there's no wolves.
Yeah.
Or people.
Yeah.
Something cornered her to the point where she couldn't.
It has to swim across because it's in the island now.
Not injured, so she didn't fall.
No.